Hiya, so this is another basics in crochet, and in this one I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. So that's the next size up stitch from a single crochet, but it's smaller than a double crochet. So to start off, I'm going to make a slip knot to put the yarn on the hook. And then I am just going to do a simple chain to start off. So this will be the foundation. So that's one, just grabbing the yarn, pulling it through the hoop, that's on the hook, 2, 3, 4 and 5, just doing a small section at the moment just to show you what I'm doing. And you want to do the first half double crochet in the last stitch you've done, which is this one, so keep an eye on where it is. You want to chain 2 just to get a bit of height, and then this is where we're going to do the half double crochet. That's why I told you to keep an eye on where it is. So you just chain 2, so you want to go, that's the 2 you just done, and then that's the last when you're done for the foundation. So you wrap the yarn around, you put it through the stitch, you grab the yarn, pull it back through the stitch. So now you've got 3 hoops on there, you grab the yarn again and you pull it all through 3 hoops, and that's your half double crochet. So you wrap the yarn around, go through the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through that one, so you're back around the front, 3 hoops, grab the yarn again, pull it through all 3, and hope it doesn't come off the hook like it did just for me. And that's your half double crochet. So I'll do this to the end of the row, then we'll go to the next. Okay, so once you get to the end of the row, we are going to flip it, chain 2, then we're going to start going back in the other direction, doing the exact same thing. So you've got the chain 2, and then this is the last stitch you've done, so you're going to do the half double crochet through that. So wrap the yarn around, go through the stitch, pull it forward, wrap the yarn around and pull it through all 3 hoops. Wrap the yarn around, go through the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn again, and then all through 3. So it's just a really simple stitch. As I say, it gives you a slightly more height than the single crochet. And you always want to count when doing this, because sometimes you can think the chain 2 at the end is an extra stitch and you can end up adding stitches you don't want. So make sure you always count your stitches. So once you're finished that row, you just repeat again. So you flip it, chain 2 and carry on crocheting. And that's it. That is the not double crochet, half double crochet. Very similar to the double crochet, which you'll see in another video. So you can use this for loads of different projects. So I recommend doing like a small, maybe not this small, maybe at least 10 stitches along, just to practice. Just keep doing it. And you don't have to waste yarn either, because it just undoes itself anyway. So if you maybe have a nice yarn or not much yarn to practice with, just practice a little bit. Then once you've practiced, undo it. All you have to do is just pull and the yarn comes out really easily. Then you can use the yarn again to practice some more. Alternatively, if you did want to like keep a little like maybe progress to see how much better you're getting, or if you just want to have a little piece just to show the different stitches you can do, you can do that too. You don't have to unwind it. Just really simple. Once you've done the little test patch, you just clip off the yarn and you just grab the yarn, pull it through that last hoop that you just done, and then you pull it and then it's all tied off. Then you can hide the ends if you wish, or if you're just going to have it in a drawer somewhere just as, like I say, a record of what you've done. You can leave it like this, but you can just weave the ends in. I'll do another video for weaving the ends in, but it's really simple. Just put it on a needle, kind of weave it in and out a couple of times and cut off any excess. But that's it. That's the half double crochet. Hope it was easy to understand. I know I'm not the best at explaining things, but thanks for watching anyway. See you in my next video. Bye.